tinanong ni actually Senator Jinggoy, hindi ba? Sabi niya ganon, meron bang grumbling? No, alingas-ngas ng ng mga reklamo, unrest sa military bunsod nitong mga recent events. Ang sagot ni Lieutenant General Jimmy Larida, siya yung AFP Deputy Chief of Staff. 100% none, sir, sabi niya ganun kay Senator Jinggoy. Yun ang sagot niya. Pero Colonel Margaret, ang sabi naman po ni former Senator Trillanes, wag daw magpakakampante ang gobyerno dahil bagamat humihina na yung suporta, yung porsyento ng mga taga-suporta ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Andyan pa rin sila, no? At meron pa rin, alam mo yon, don't be complacent, huwag ka magpakakampante. Kailangan talagang continuous monitoring. On your toes pa rin, oo. And I think it's among the young, nakakagulat, among the young officers daw.
Ang grumbling.
You would think, baka yung mga older retired na, hindi, among the young. No? And si former Senator Trillanes, you would think, meron pang
connection.
Meron pang mga pagkukuhanan ng mga intel yan. Reaction po ng AFP sa sinabi po ni Senator Trillanes, Colonel.
Ma'am, nagsalita na rin po ang ating Chief of Staff about this, no? That we recognize po that all of us po have our own political opinions and we have our own political inclinations. We respect that. But as long as we are still wearing our uniform po, kailangan po natin sundin ang saligang batas at protektahan natin ang ating bansa, protektahan natin ang ating watawat. Ang paniniwala po talaga namin, at nakikita po namin na nag-evolve na po talaga ang Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas to be a very professional organization po. In fact, dito po sa latest Octa survey, ma'am, we were able to maintain the greatest trust rating from the Filipino people.
Congratulations.
8 out of 10 Filipinos trust the AFP. And hindi po namin gustong masira itong tiwalang ito.
Okay. So, Colonel, having said that, may pahayag rin po ang dating Pangulo, si President Rodrigo Duterte, na fractured government. Kayo ba ay naniniwala? At sabi niya, itong fractured government, ang solusyon lang daw ay nasa military. Dapat ang military ang, kumbaga, mag-aksyon laban po dito sa ating fractured government. In the first place, sa pagkakaintindi nyo bilang tigapagsalita po ng AFP, meron ba tayong fractured government at kayo ba sa tingin nyo, kayo lang ba ang may sagot para maayos po ito? Like the former president said?
Ma'am, at this point, we would like to maintain that yung pong Armed Forces of the Philippines is the barometer po, that keep things in equilibrium. So at this point po, as we keep saying that we are a united and professional organization, we would like to be isolated po from political color and political issues so that we can perform our job accordingly po. Dapat po, ma'am, huwag tayong malihis sa napakalaking mga issues na hinaharap natin ngayon, which is our geopolitical tensions. So we do not want to lose focus on this. Over and above that po, naka-red alert status pa po tayo dahil sa ating mga HADR operations kasi hindi pa po tayo totally nakakabangon sa effects po ng bagyo. So at this point in time, ma'am, ang panawagan po namin, hindi naman po yun trabaho ng AFP po to intervene po dito sa political issues, but for us to be able to perform our mandate po for the protection of our people, defense of our territory, and our sovereignty.
Together, Sunnet 25, Sunnet 25.